Welcome to Bike Update, your ultimate source for motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Yamaha XSR 125, a stylish entry-level bike that combines classic aesthetics with modern engineering. Let's see what makes this machine stand out. Classic design with a modern touch. The XSR 125 follows Yamaha's neo-retro design philosophy, featuring a round LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and minimal bodywork. Inspired by its bigger siblings, the XSR 700 and XSR 900, this bike exudes a timeless appeal while offering premium finishes, including a dual-tone seat and aluminum details. Performance and engine. Powering the 2025 XSR 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing 15 horsepower and 11.5 Newton-meters of torque. It features VVA, variable valve actuation, technology, ensuring smooth power delivery across different RPM ranges. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch, the bike provides a refined and engaging ride. Chassis and suspension. Built on Yamaha's Delta box frame, the XSR 125 offers excellent stability and agility. The USD front forks and linked monoshock at the rear ensure a comfortable ride over various terrains. With 17-inch alloy wheels and high-traction tires, it delivers impressive handling and grip, whether in city traffic or on open roads. Technology and features. The bike is equipped with a fully digital LCD instrument cluster, displaying all essential ride information. ABS comes standard, enhancing safety during braking. Additionally, Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to receive notifications and stay connected on the go. Price and availability. Yamaha has positioned the XSR 125 as a premium entry-level motorcycle, offering a balance of style and performance. Pricing and availability may vary by region, so check with your local dealer for the latest details. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha XSR 125 is a fantastic option for new riders and enthusiasts who appreciate retro styling with modern performance. With its fuel-efficient engine, lightweight chassis, and premium build, it's a great everyday ride. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Bike Update for more motorcycle reviews. Ride safe.